Hello, welcome back, and today's tutorial we're going to be doing like an everyday look. It's how I do my makeup all the time, and if I'm going out, if I'm doing the day, might add a few things to it, but it's generally the base of what I do before I do everything else. So if you want to give it a try at home, if you're wanting to go to the office, if you're going to shopping, if you're going out, it's a good base to go from. And if you're interested in the products as well, they'll be arriving shortly. I'll post a photo somewhere around here if you want to see what the package is looking like so far. So let's get started. I've already gone and prepared my face. First off is I have to shave because I am a man-ish and I have a beard, so I have to shave that off, and then I went ahead and used a face scrub to get rid of all debris and whatnot off my face, and then I went ahead with some soap which contains salicylic acid, which for those of you that don't know, it breaks down any gunk in your face that's going to clog your pores and it's going to leave you nice and fresh. And then yeah, I've just added a bit of moisturiser and we'll go from that. I'm so warm. I literally just got out of the shower and I am boiling. Anyway, let's begin. So the first thing I do is I take my Vulcan and Vixen foundation and not gonna lie, it's not my shade. Should be a different shade. But I'm gonna make my face look like it. So let's start applying my foundation. Foundation goes on really well if you, well, I mean there's many ways to do it, but I generally do circular motions so it blends in well. I don't put it too close to my eye because I don't know if you've noticed from other videos, but it always gives me red eyes if I wear makeup, no matter what brand, what product, anything. It always gives me red eyes. Or it could be the mass amount of hay fever I suffer with. So how is everyone doing through the coronavirus saga? And many people going out shopping? Are you getting home deliveries? Have you got people you got to look after, you got to care for? How many of you are bored? I've done a ton of gardening. My legs ache. My arms ache. After saying that, I've done nothing for a few days. I've just been quite lazy. And don't forget to blend underneath, or you'll have the typical lines. Nobody wants that. And I do my ears because, you know, if you haven't clicked on I'm bald, you can see everything. Where's everybody going to go after the lockdown? I'm going to go to the pub, restaurant, both, beach, holiday. Make sure you're staying safe, wash your hands. I've missed a hair when I shave. Where's my tweezers? Horrible thing. Ah, missed it. Ow. Why is on my tweezers? For Christ's sake. And be thankful you have hair because I've got to go all the way back. I suppose you stop at your hairline, don't you, usually, but I haven't got one, so... I'm going for years, won't I? So I think that's blended. I've only got a mirror this big, so it's quite difficult to see. Now I'm going to put my lighter foundation. I'm going to grab a beauty blender and dampen it a little bit with some setting spray. I'm going to add this under my eyes. This is called contouring, ladies and gentlemen. A shapeshift, if you will. I'm going to add it here to make my face look slightly different shape, and I'm going to bring it up on the side of my nose to make my nose look a different shape. I don't put too much product right under my eyes because I have really thin, baggy skin under my eyes and my eyes are really deep set, so I generally avoid it. I'll pack it with some setting powder later on, and that will stop it from creasing and wrinkling. I'm going to add a little bit of this to the chin. Dabby dab dab. I've got a Zoom call later with my friend's friend. It's a scavenger hunt. So wish me luck. Put some comfortable clothes on, because I've got to find some stuff pretty quickly. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna eat pizza. Yes. What a fantastic shout. Down the nose. I'm doing this really quick, but I will do an in-depth one soon so everybody can see. I'm going to add a bit here. Lovely. I'm not gonna lie, I can't wait to go out again. I'm dying for a cocktail. Or a beer, I'm not quite sure. To be honest, I just want to go out and socialise with everyone. Do like a good socialisation. Anyway, next step, we're going to take the... Actually, no, we're not going to use that step. We are going to use the... palettes everywhere. I have an eyelash in my eye! For Christ's sake. Disappears me. I'm going to take this brush. I'm going to dab it into my bronzer. And I'm just going to lightly apply it around here. Not like I do in drag. Bring it down, blend it out, blend it into that. Same on this side. Circular motions is good for blending, remember, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and everyone else. It used to be much easier doing my makeup when I had a beard. I'm going to take a smaller brush, wherever it is. It's dirty. I don't know what I'm going to do to my skin if I use that one. Looks like it should be fine. Let's try it. And I'm going to go down the side of my nose. But remember, you're not in drag, so don't do it too bad. And I like to bring it up into the corner of my eyes. Ta-da! Now, Vulcan and Vixen setting powder. And you want to dab your beauty blender in it. And you want to press it under your eyes. Stop it creasing. Don't be alarmed if you look a little odd. To be honest, there's nothing wrong with being odd, so do what, do as you please. You want a lot on there. Now, a tip for everyone else, I am super greasy. My skin is horrendously crazy at being greasy. And this really helps me actually last the duration of the night without turning into some sort of weird grease ball. Beautiful. Right. Don't forget, put your lid back on your powder. And you'll drop it like I do all the time. Put that over there. What have we done so far? Oh my god, I'm going crazy. Now, I'm going to take a big fluffy brush. And I'm going to take a powder. Hang on, there's a lawnmower. Hang on. I'm going to take a set powder. And I'm going to blend. I don't know why I say it stupid all the time. My setting powder off. Blend everything together. Again, I'm really greasy, so I like a lot of powder because I like to look porcelain. Now, for the eyebrows. For the moment, I use Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade because it's really good. But don't worry, I shall be creating my own. So, I'm going to brush my hairs up. No glue this time, remember, not a drag queen. Yes, this is a Jeffree style brush. It is JS7. And you know what? Fair play to him. It's a strong brush. Better if I cleaned it. I always start on the arch of my brow because I do it wrong a lot. And I'm going to just line where my eyebrow is. And then I'm going to take more product, and I'm going to bring it towards the end. And I like sharp brows, so we're going to pull it down. I'm going to drag the product through the brow. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this, it looks terrifying, and you're going to draw a line from here up into the brow. Now I'm going to take the other end of the brush and I'm just going to brush that product through my natural brow. So I want it to look like an ombre style. Because I mean I'm fair haired and I'm bald, so I can't have it too crazy. I'm going to move on to the other side. Start with the arch. I mean, you don't have to, I find that easiest. Pull that bit in, work out where the point's going to go, make sure they actually match. Remember, sisters, not twins. And I'm going to bring it down to a sharp point for the tail. Drag the product through a bit more. And I'm going to take more on the pound, more product. and do the line. And then brush it through to give a faded ombre look. Yes! I do like my eyebrows sometimes. Anyway, stick your lid back on. She'll drop your product like I do all the time. What's next? We're going to take, not that one, this one. We're going to take the Vulcan and Vixen highlighter. We'll use this brush. And I'm going to, remember, Vulcan and Vixen highlighter is best if you use it dry, don't wet it. And then down the side. Put one there. This one has a pink tint to it, which I really like because I don't put any colour on my face. I'm gonna add some down my nose and just here. Now, what lipsticks do I have? Whoa, not the Vixen. That's a little bit bright. Oh, maybe Cherry Kiss. Not called Cherry Kiss, called Cherry Pie. Soft Kiss. This one's Soft Kiss. Just add a little bit on. I don't want a lot on, I just want it as like a lip stain. And then I'm going to finish off with some setting spray. And then was it? Because I put that much bloody powder on my face. So, I probably would stick some mascara on as well. It changes, it varies. But that's how you do an everyday makeup tutorial. It's a good base for anything else you want to do. If you want to try anything different, feel free to slap it on afterwards. But this is generally where I finish, unless I'm going out or something. But yeah, anyway, here's my packaging again. If you haven't seen it, I'll put it here or here, because I still can't remember how to edit. And don't forget, if you liked everything, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, click like, and give me a shout if you request any videos. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Ta-ta for now. Silly. Auf Wiedersehen. Nos da. Bye.